determine whether each pair of lines are parallel. Okay, parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Parallel means if the slopes of two lines are same. We find the slope of first line, say m1 first line, and slope of second line m2. If they are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay, for perpendicular, the slope of one line or slope of second line, doesn't matter, let's say m2, that should be equal to negative reciprocal of first slope, negative 1 over m1. Or if we multiply these slopes, m1 times m2, that should be negative 1. Okay, so let's find the slope of this line and this line, and we check if one of these two is satisfied. If not, we will go for neither. Okay, so y equals 2, this is a horizontal line, right? Y equals 2, 1, 2, so this is y equals 2, so the slope is 0. So for y equals 2, slope is 0. Let's find the slope of this line. 2x plus 3y equals 7. To find the slope, we need to put this in the form y equals mx plus b. So isolate y. So subtract 2x from both sides. We get 3y equals, let me write in x in the first place, negative 2x, and this is plus 7. Now divide by 3. So we get y equals, divide by 3. So negative 2 over 3, so divide by 3, negative 2 over 3x plus 7 over 3. Okay, so now this is in the form of y equals mx plus b. So we were interested in slope, so this is the slope. Okay, slope is negative 2/3. So slope of this line is slope, let's say m1, slope of m, but first line m1 is negative 2/3, and this is a horizontal line, y equals 2, slope is m2, second slope is 0. Now these two are not equal, so not parallel, and second slope is not negative reciprocal of first. Negative reciprocal means negative, negative, positive, 3 halves. This is not 3 halves, so neither. So these two lines are not neither parallel nor perpendicular. Okay, now let's go to the second question. Now we want to put this in the form y equals mx plus b to determine the slope. Okay, so x minus 4y equals 7. We need to isolate y. So negative 4y, so there is negative, so I would move negative to the other side just to make positive, plus 4y plus 4y. Then we have x equals 7 plus 4y. Okay, we didn't have to move this, but whenever there is negative sign, it's wise to move to the other side to make it positive. And to isolate y, we have 4y plus 7, so subtract 7 from both sides. So x minus 7 equals 4y. Now divide by 4. So y equals, so I'm writing y in the first, in the left side, y equals, separate into two fractions. This is x over 4, which is same as 1 over 4x, x over 4 minus 7 over 4. Okay, now this is in the form of y equals mx plus b, and we are interested in the slope, so slope is 1/4. Okay, and we can declare that as m slope of first line m1, just for notation, equals 1/4 slope of first line. Now let's try for this line. Wow, this is already in the form of y equals mx plus b, so we have y equals negative 4x minus 2. I didn't have to write this. Okay, this is already clear. M is negative 4, so slope m, let's say m2, 2 means second line, m equals negative 4. Are they equal? No, they are different, so these lines are not parallel. How about perpendicular? is second slope negative reciprocal of first? Reciprocal means we need to flip this fraction. 1 over 4 becomes 4 and negative. Yes, second slope is in fact negative reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 over 4, reciprocal, that's 4, negative reciprocal, that's we have here. Okay, so second slope is in fact negative reciprocal of first. That means these two lines are perpendicular. There is another way to check. If we just multiply these slopes m1 and m2, if we get -1, then the lines are parallel. Yes, 1/4 times -4 is -1, but it will be useful for later. Second slope is negative reciprocal of first. Yes, so the lines are perpendicular. Okay,